Hello everyone, I am Dr.A.G.Mythili, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Finance, Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. In this video, I am going to speak about nomination. So what is nomination and nominee? Nomination is a service that enables the account holder or any other financial instrument investor to name someone to claim the deposit or investment after the original owner of the asset or account passed away. If we open an account in any bank, they will ask us to give the nomination name. So a husband can give wife's name as nomination, or a wife can give a husband name as nomination. Therefore, the nominee is the person, or in some case a firm, that a person has mentioned in the section of nomination of the asset or account that they are legal holders of. So who is nominee in bank? A nominee in bank, as already mentioned, in someone who has been designated in the bank application as the person who would receive proceeds of the account in the case of unexpected death. Anyone that the applicant considers to be the first relative could be mentioned. Some banks allow the applicant to mention several nominees and assign percentage to each one according to their bank deposit amount. If there is no specific percentage mentioned, then it will be equally split among all the nominees. So while opening an account in the bank itself, we have to mention the nominee's name there. So the nominee in bank and its importance. The process of nomination is a crucial task in the overview of bank procedure, and it is cause ease of settlement of funds of the actual account holders. RBI has produced proof of thousands of crores of unclaimed possession due to lack of nominee mention. Therefore, it stands important for every account holders to mention a nominee during the application for a new deposit or bank account. The process of nomination can process the person's assets to their nominee much easier in the event of death. When the account holder's lawful heirs have been mentioned as the nominee, it is a longer procedure to claim the account fund from the bank. So who can be appointed as a nominee in a bank account? A nominee for a bank account need to be the following list. A nominee in a bank account, meaning an individual who is the holder of the account. Trust could be the nominee. It would be a member of his family, child, spouse, relative, or anyone else. If the nominee is not the legal heirs, he or she will not be entitled to the funds. The nominee's duties becomes to act as the trustee and transfer funds to the legal heirs. There can be different nominees to different bank account with the same name. A minor can also be nominee of an account, but the minor will have to designated by a guardian, and the bank will have to give the funds to the guardian. What happens when there is no nominee appointed? When the account holders has passed away and the person has not made any nomination, the legal heirs will have go through the procedure of claiming the account funds. So what are the general banking nominee rules? Here are some of the general terms and conditions that apply to the nomination of a bank account. There usually need to be a single nominee for a single held bank account. A resident can also choose a nominee, an NRI, but reservation of the sum will be only after the permission of the Reserve Bank of India. A person that has been legally empowered to operate the account of a minor can also file the nomination on behalf of the minor. Every applicant need to make a nomination with the form of the Banking Companies Nomination Rule 1985. So now coming to the rights of a nominee. The nominee is the legal custodian of the funds but not the owner. Their role is to receive the funds on behalf of their legal heirs. The nominee does not become the owner of the funds automatically. If there is a will or legal heirs, the nominee will hand over the money to their rightful heirs. In case of lockers, the nominee will be given access to the lockers in the event of account holder's death. How is to make a nomination? The account holders must fill out the nomination form provided by the bank, providing the nominee's name, relationship with the account holder, age, etc., and their address. The form must be signed by the account holder and submitted to the bank Bank allows account holders to change or cancel nominee at any time. So this process is done while opening an account in any bank. So nominee in different bank accounts, saving bank account and fixed deposit. Nominee ensures that the nominee receives money without the need of the prohibit procedure, lock-up facility for joint accounts. So how to change or cancel nominee? An account holder can change or cancel a nominee by submitting a fresh nomination form to the banker. The bank holder must ensure that the new nomination form is properly filled, signed and acknowledged by the banker. Thank you.